How to fix effects on TikTok. If any day any of you are a TikTok user and you would like to just fix the various kind of effects on your very TikTok, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very TikTok application on your mobile device. After you find the very TikTok application on your mobile device, you have to tap on it. Then go to the I like option. After tapping on the I like option, now you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the option of notifications. If you see the option of notification here, you have to enable allow the notification and allow sound and vibration. Again, you have to go back, then tap on the option of permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, music, and audio, nearby devices, notification, and photos and videos. Again, you can go back, then tap on the option of set as default. Here you have to enable, open the supported links, and then go back again. After going back, now you have to tap on the option of storage. When you tap on the option of storage, if you see that the cache out there, you have to clear down the cache by clearing the cache option here. Then again, you have to go back, then tap on the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, if you see the option of update out here, you have to update your very application, and also you can send a very message to the developer of your very TikTok here by going to the option of the WhatsApp contact there, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.